In this episode of 20-minute paintings with Artyshils, we are going to learn how to paint this absolutely cute dog with specks on him, and I really hope you will love recreating this as much as I enjoyed creating this painting. And if you recreate this painting, I would absolutely love to check it out. You can share this painting with me at free to join all Happy Creators community at Artyshils Art Academy. I will leave the link to the Happy Creators community in the description box below. So with that being said, let's get started and let's look at how to paint this cutie from start to finish. So over here, as you can see, I have a 6 by 6 inch canvas board and I'm using Prismacolor Color Erase pencils to draw the drawing on my canvas, but you can use any color pencil of your choice. We will first get started by drawing the basic face of this cute dog, as you can see over here, the very basic shape, and then over here I'm just marking where the nose, eyes and the mouth will be. Next over here, I get started by drawing the mouth and the nose and the middle structure of the dog's face, and then I go ahead and give the eyes, as you can see, and then I just add a little bit of detail here and there, and with this our drawing is done. You can pause the video over here and recreate the drawing that you see on my canvas. Next over here, I take this 000 fine liner brush from the fine detailer set of Artyshils art brushes and mix some blue and red to create this dark purple, and using this dark purple I outline the entire dog, as you can see. And after I was done outlining the entire dog, I let it dry completely and then give a base layer of transparent watery acrylic paint all over the canvas using my aqua green and yellow. Now before creating the dog, I actually get started by creating the background. So for the background, I'm just using 2 shades of blue, as you can see, and create this dark to light background. After I was done creating this background, I used my dark purple shade, some yellow and white to create the base layer of the dog, as you can see over here. So for the base layer, I'm just adding the light and shadow, where the light color will be and where the shadow parts of this drawing will be. I'm just adding that. And in the center, as you can see, it's mostly white, and I add the darker base layers for the nose and the eyes as well. So this is just the base layer. Don't worry, don't stress out. It doesn't have to be perfect, because the top layer will bring out the realism in this dog. Next, to get started with the final layers, I first give one more layer to the background, as you can see. And taking my number 1 angular brush from the Angular and Dagger set of Artyshils over here, I get started by creating the second layer all around the dog. So the second layer will bring in a lot more finishing to the entire painting compared to the first layer. And for the second layer, once again, I am using the same shades, the blue, yellow and red, white and aqua green, as you can see over here. So while you're watching me create this second layer, I would like to share that if you would like to learn how to create my kind of paintings with much more detailed voiceover and much more detailed explanation, explaining you every technique from scratch, explaining you about the materials, explaining you little step-by-step process, and supporting you all through your painting process. If you would like the complete experience of learning my paintings with me, then definitely check out various workshops at Artyshils Art Academy. All the workshops of Artyshils Art Academy are absolutely beginner friendly, because I divide the complete explanation and process in such a way that even if you've never painted ever before, you will be able to paint with me, and that's my promise to you. And while you're part of Artyshils Art Academy, you are never ever alone. I never leave you alone. I'm always there to help you, guide you, listen to you, talk to you about your process. If you want to share with me your trouble areas, I'm there to listen and help you out. So you're never ever alone when you're learning from any of the paintings from Artyshils Art Academy. So when I felt happy with the second layer of the dog that we created, I gave him specks on his face, as you can see over here, and then refreshed the background once more with just aqua green blue color, as you can see. And then over here, I take my favorite angular comb hair brush from Artyshils art brushes and give some furry effects all around the doggy, as you can see over here. Artyshils art brushes that I'm using specialize not only in painting with acrylic paints, but they work amazing with watercolor paints and oil paints as well. And we have an amazing brush cleaning soap as well, which if you have not tried yet, then you have to check it out, as it'll just clean your brushes as good as new like magic. You just have to trust me on it. Check it out at www.artyshils.com. Lastly, I will end this painting by splattering some paint around the cute dog and giving this dog the crown that it deserves by applying some gold paint on its crown. So with that, we are done with this painting, and I really hope that you enjoyed the process. Let me know in the comment section below what else you would like to learn in this episode of 20-minute paintings with Artyshils, and I will try my best to bring those paintings for you. So with that being said, before I leave, and to check out Artyshils Art Academy and the brushes that I'm using to paint my paintings, do visit my website artyshils.com. So with that being said, I'll take your leave, and I will see you next time with some other episode on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And if you would like to support this channel and my work, then do share this video with your loved ones on your Instagram stories, on WhatsApp, on your social media, or wherever you can. So with that, I will see you next time. Till then, bye and happy creating. Bye.